How to hide apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to hide any app from your home screen and app drawer on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and pinch inward with two fingers to enter the home screen settings. After that, tap on Settings at the top right corner. From there, tap on Hide Apps from the list. At this point, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your device. In the next step, tap on the app or apps you want to hide to select them. Following this, once you have selected all the apps you want to hide, tap on Done or Apply to confirm. Once done, the selected apps will no longer appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. From here, to access a hidden app, simply go back to the same Hide App settings and tap on the app to unhide it. Finally, you can also search for hidden apps directly from your home screen search bar, even while they are hidden. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you hide your apps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.